Welcome back to Carl Tomich Tech Reviews, formerly known as Movie Masters. We're talking about the Ray-Ban Metas again. Now, I've actually made a couple of videos on these. The last time was about how they broke. But guess what? I complained and I complained and I got some new Ray-Bans. The sad part is I bought them. That's how much I liked these things. And I was angry. I was really angry for a long time. And then I had to get over my anger. I had to get over that these broke. And I just bought a new pair. They're just too goddamn good. And I just like them that I paid money and bought a second pair. Now let's get into a few new cool features. Whether they're new features or whether they're just sort of additional things that I've discovered that I think are really cool. So recently I got my first pair of AirPods. These are the AirPod Pro 2s. The audio from these obviously are a lot better than the audio from these. What I realized is that I can actually have both at the same time. Now they're not playing at the same time. But what I realized is that, so normally you have the tap functions here. If you don't know, you tap once to press play and this will start playing the music. Then you double tap to change the song. What I didn't realize, or should I say what I'm about to tell you, is that these glasses can actually work as a controller to change the song from the AirPods. So when I'm actually pressing play on here, it's actually now playing through my ears, because I really like the feature of just being able to tap my glasses but then have the quality of the AirPods. Now as far as these glasses go, all I said is just be extra careful with them because they can break very easily and they might break on their own, or they might break with the slightest touch. So I guess I'll call this my 9-month in review. What do I think of these things? I really like them, and I've been on holiday. Currently I am traveling around Japan and they have come in use so many times. The amount of times I don't have time to get on my camera and I just want to quickly film something and I just press away and I can start filming. Hands-free filming. Maybe I want to be a bit inconspicuous, not in a creepy way, just in I don't want to be holding my camera around. I don't want to be that like vlogger guy on holiday. You can be a bit more inconspicuous. Just don't be creepy. Here you go. Here you go. Don't. So as you can see, the light comes on here. Now I also did notice kind of another, I don't know, it's a cool thing, because if you own these, the bass really, there's not a lot of bass unless you put your hands to your ears. Now obviously you don't want to be walking around putting your hands to your ears, but I've been working out a lot wearing these glasses. Actually, that's one thing that I've found these really useful for working out. You could do all kind of exercises there. It's fun for running. You get this first person point of view. I feel like I'm playing a video game sometimes. But when I'm sitting there on the bench doing my sit-ups, I was holding my head between my ears, and then I realized, wow, I've got bass. It does make me wonder, like, could you just get some kind of little ear cups or some sort of weird hat that's going to amplify the bass sound in these things? Yeah. Hey Meta, where am I?
You appear to be in a room with purple walls, possibly a home or studio setting.
Do you know my location?
If you've enabled location services in the MetaView app on your phone, I use your location to provide better answers.
Hey Meta, how many fingers am I holding up?
You are holding up 5 fingers.
Well, didn't quite get that right. I said 5 fingers. Technically it's 4 fingers and a thumb. Hey Meta, who is the president of America?
Elon Musk is the CEO of SpaceX, Tesla, and Twitter. He leads the Department of Government Efficiency in the Trump administration.
Said Elon Musk. Anyway, I am just going to keep this episode a little bit short as I've covered a lot of these topics in different videos. What do I think of them? Look, I think they're great. I think they're so great that I bought them again even after they broke. I paid for them twice. So I think that says it all. Yeah, look, downsides, a little flimsy. Downsides, not enough bass. Downsides, delay in taking photos. Upsides, can take photos whenever you want. Upsides, really handy taking calls. Upsides, stops you from using your phone all the time. Actually, the amount of reduced screen time that I've got from having these is actually really fantastic. So there are lots of positives, and oh yeah, and like I look cool. And it's good to be able to like ask it these things as well. Just be able to take pictures on the fly, take videos on the fly, take phone calls on the fly. As I said, when they release the next pair, I want to see landscape, I want to see 4K, I want to see slow motion. If they can do that in this, they will be hands down like the best glasses ever. But for the moment, that's my update. Anyway, thanks for watching. Keep on movie making. And we'll see you next time.